Here's your Storm Track 7 forecast.
I'm Storm Track 7 meteorologist Kyle Keel. Threat tracker in the green this weekend. Mostly sunny to partly cloudy here today and tomorrow. However, it's in between where we do have the chance for a few showers and thunderstorms. That comes our way here into tonight. So for the daytime hours, many of you still cleaning up after Monday's derecho. We're going to have okay weather for that. It's just going to be a little warm and a little humid. We'll have middle to upper 80s for highs. South-southeast wind at 5 to 15 miles per hour, but these temperatures will feel closer to 90 or 95 degrees when you factor in those dew points in the upper 60s to low 70s. For tonight, kind of a range in temperatures as that cold front drops through the area. We'll have a south wind turning to the north at 5 to 10 miles per hour. We do have a chance of scattered showers and storms. So it's about a 40% chance, and these are going to be fairly scattered across eastern Iowa. The good news to report this morning, the highest threat for severe weather is off to our northwest. That's ahead of this low pressure and cold front. So basically from International Falls down toward the Twin Cities, that's where we have an enhanced risk of severe weather. A little farther to the south and west toward northwestern and central Iowa into eastern Nebraska, that's where we have that slight risk. Taking a closer look here at our viewing area, it's just to our northwest that we have that slight risk for severe weather. So these will be in a weakening phase as they track into eastern Iowa. So we'll have to watch the potential for a couple stronger storms, but not expecting anything severe. So we'll start future track here at midnight, and you'll notice that's when that line of storms, at least scattered storms, will begin to move into eastern Iowa. So Waterloo, Parkersburg, Waverly, up toward New Hampton and Decorah. Between about 10 o'clock and midnight is when I do anticipate some of those storms making their way in. These will continue to track off to the east and southeast, so Guttenberg, Elkader, Manchester, down toward Cedar Rapids, Iowa City. Between midnight and 2 a.m. is when you can expect those storms. Again, these are very scattered. It's not going to be a huge squall line like we had around here on Monday. But nonetheless, there could be a couple of isolated stronger storms as these move through, and that will continue to track off to the south and east through about daybreak on Saturday. Might be an isolated shower or storm early, but for the most part, this should get out of here by 7 or 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. City by city forecast has those temperatures in the 80s here this weekend. We'll have a mostly sunny to partly cloudy sky. Humidity levels this weekend going to be much lower than what we're seeing today, and that trend is going to continue here as we head over much of the next 10 days. We'll have high pressure kind of take control of our weather here next week. So most of next week is dry, and we actually could really use the rain as all of eastern Iowa has abnormally dry conditions. Those temperatures next week are going to be in the upper 70s to lower and middle 80s.